Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Banking Q. In this video, we are going to discuss the banking and financial awareness most expected multiple choice questions for the month of December 2016.
Myself, I am Uday Bharadwaj. I am from South India. I am from the team Banking Q. I am here to discuss you the banking and financial awareness for every month. So we will upload the daily capsules and monthly capsules in this YouTube channel every weekend, every month. So please follow us and get regular updates by subscribing us. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Before starting to start the video, it's important to know who are the heads of various financial bodies. So Governor of Reserve Bank of India, Mr. Urjit Patel. He is 24th Governor of India. He is the successor of Raghuram Rajan. And 14th Finance Commission of India Chairman is Mr. Y.Venugopal Reddy. And SEBI Chairman, Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is a regulatory body for the mutual funds and share market. So its chairman is Mr. U.K. Sinha, Upendra Kumar Sinha. Chairman of IRDAI is Mr. T.S. Vijayan. And Chairman of 7th Commission, Mr. Ashok Kumar Madhur, you can remember as A.K. Madhur, and SIDBI Chairman is Mr. Chhatrapati Shivaji. So we can continue with the December month current affairs. NITI Aayog. NITI Aayog is previously called as Planning Commission. So it is headed by none other than the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. Its Vice Chairman is Mr. Arvind Panagaria, and its CEO is Amitabh Kant. So NITI Aayog has set up a CM's panel on the roadmap for digital payment. This committee is a 13-member committee. This panel is headed by Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Mr. Nara Chandrababu Naidu of Telugu Desam Party. So this panel has been set up certain guidelines for the roadmap for the digital payment. So digital payment is something which the government has been taken as an initiative nowadays. So what is the digital payment means? The government has asked the individual. Government has asked all the citizens to make their payments through online mode. So one has to use their bank accounts to do the transactions, whatever the according to their requirements. So digital payments are the payments which has been done through the through the customer's bank accounts. So every transaction will be noted in the banking. Every transaction will be noted in the banking in their bank account. So government without permission of the public, so government and banks are able to check what are the payments has been made through the public. So this will help the government to track what are the illegal or the illegal transaction has been doing by any public. So this is not the new system that has been implemented. This is newly implemented by India, but many places all over the world has already implemented this system. This is all about the digital payment, which has been taken as an initiative by the government of India. After that, Microsoft and Oracle. These are two big US companies. They are going to hire IIT students. IIT is a very good reputed institutions across the country. So Microsoft and Oracle, these are two big US firms. They are going to hire the students by giving crores of packages to the students who have just completed their graduation. So this is called talent acquisition. After that, cash raise in UK over annual fat less 5 pound note. So this is the Bank of England. The Bank of England is the England bank. So it is a main bank. It is Central Bank of England. So there is a raise. Raise means anger. The cash raise means the anger on the cash which is being circulated. The notes which are being circulated in the UK. So these notes are containing craze of animal fat. So this is known to the public by a tweet which has replied by the Bank of England to the people of the UK. So many people who are vegetarians across the country, they have showed anger on the cash rate. They have showed anger on UK economy. So this is called cash rate. After that, Federal Bank ties up with Spice Digital. Spice Digital is a value-added services based platform. So Federal Bank is a Kochi based bank. It has tied up with the Spice Digital. Some bank tied up with some solutions. It is a very most important nowadays because we are getting random questions from these type of questions in the upcoming from various examinations, banking examinations. So it is important to know who had tied up with which company. So Federal Bank has tied up with Spice Digital for better cash. So Federal Bank has tied up with Spice Digital for better cash management services. So there are so many retail outlets for Spice Digital. So more than 20,000 of retail outlets of Spice Digital can now remit its cash from Federal Bank through Federal Bank. So throughout the India. So please remember this kind of questions. RBI has issued final guidelines on the large exposure of banks. As we know, banks are nowadays suffering with bad debts. So to overcome this in near future, RBI has imposed certain guidelines to the banks. It has tightened some norms based on the large borrowers. So these guidelines will help banks in the near future to overcome the debt. So these guidelines will come into effect from March 31st of 2019. Please remember the date. Reliance Jio has launched payment solutions for merchants. Mukesh Ambani is chairman of Reliance Jio. So he has announced the launch of Jio Money Merchant Solution. A merchant is someone who accepts the money from the customer by providing some services. So Reliance Jio Money Merchant Solution has been launched, which aimed at Jio Money Merchant Solutions has been launched by Mukesh Ambani for a fast-growing digital economy, to support the fast-growing digital economy. 5 PSU banks had to join UPI. UPI means United Payment Interface. It is an initiative by NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. So there are nearly 30 banks had already signed up with UPI, including the HSBC and Standard Chartered banks in India already. So there are yet to be 5 PSU banks had to be added to this UPI. So this is a government-based digital platform to make the India digital in India. Bank of Baroda raises 1000 crores. Bank of Baroda, it is a Vadodara based bank. It is headquarters in Vadodara. So its chairman is Mr. P.S. Jaykumar. So this bank has raised 1000 crores by issuing bonds that are compliant with global capital adequacy or Basel III norms. As regarding to Basel III norms, with reference to Basel III norms, the government has raised 1000 crore rupees in the market. So Airtel Payment Bank. Airtel Payment Bank is the first payment bank which has got licensed by the RBI in India. So it has been first started its service in Rajasthan. So Airtel Payment Bank offers talk time for new savings account. So those who have created the savings account, so they can, Airtel Payment Bank is offering them talk time. So one thing has to be clarified. So Airtel Payment Bank is a payment bank where it has started the banking services in Rajasthan. So Airtel Payment Bank in India is going to kick off its operations very soon. So any customer who is going to open a savings account with the Airtel, so for every rupee which they are going to invest in, which they are going to save in Airtel Bank, they are going to get 1 minute of talk time. So this will be varied from Airtel to Airtel Mobile. So your Airtel mobile number will be your Airtel Payment Bank account number. Chitra Ramkrishna stepped down as NSE CEO. Chitra Ramkrishna, National Stock Exchange. She quitted out from NSE due to some differences with the board members. We have to remember that she is the first woman and managing director and the chief executive officer of the NSE. She has quit down from the chair. Chitra Ramkrishna. Paytm, its cash Razorpay and PayU making unexpected business opportunity. Because of country going digital, these Paytm companies and Prepaid Payment Instruments companies, these are making very good business because government of India is nowadays supporting the Digital India platform. Allocation of notes, RBI to banks. So RBI has asked the banks which run the currency chest. Currency chest is something where so we know every bank has a branch in every city and every town and every village. So mainly apart from this, some banks are there with this currency chest. Means RBI, they will get money from the RBI, so they are going to store in certain branches. So these are called currency chests. So from these chests, the bank will again distribute the money according to the requirement of the various branches. So RBI has asked these banks to where the banks have this currency chest. So they asked to make a proper plan to distribute the money as the cash currency is going in the economy. So nearly 4,075 currency chests are available in India now. So RBI has asked those currency chest banks to dispel the money according to the need and requirement in the various places. Next, Hailakandi, first in Assam to pay tea workers via bank account. In Assam, this Hailakandi is the first town where the tea workers will be paid their wages via bank account. As per the Government of India Digital Payment Initiative, this step has been taken. RBI Governor gets 2 lakhs pay. So RBI Governor is Mr. Urjit Patel. He is 24th Governor of India, 24th Governor of RBI. So he is a successor of Raghuram Rajan. His salary is 2 lakhs per month. So there will be no supporting staff at home. You have to remember the salary. That's enough. RBI to issue new 20 rupees, 50 rupees notes. RBI is going to issue a 20 rupees and 50 rupees note. So this will be in the old Mahatma Gandhi series 2005. Now the recently launched 500 and 2000 rupees are Mahatma Gandhi 2016 series. The old RBI to issue the new 20 and 50 rupees note which are going to be printed will be in the Mahatma Gandhi series 2005, which are old notes. Rise in merchant demand for POS devices, says MasterCard. MasterCard is a payment platform. It is a debit card issuer. So MasterCard has said that there is a much demand for POS devices as the country is going digital initiative. So there are a lot of POS devices are required for making the payments. So as of now, 1.4 million POS devices are there in India. So MasterCard says there is a lot more demand for the merchant POS devices. 2016 turns third register for IPOs. IPO means initial public offering, where 2016 is the place. It is third register year for the IPO has been initiated so far from long term. So it has third best since 1989. So this time the profits were good. SEBI sells SEBI Life stake. SBI sells SBI Life stake. SBI, State Bank of India has sold 3.9% stake in SBI Life Insurance. HDFC has resued RBI not to raise 3,000 crore more in masala bonds. Masala bonds are bonds which are given in rupee. These are rupee based bonds. If we sell these bonds to overseas investors, then it will be something good to Indian economy. So meanwhile the currency will not be fluctuated from one time to one time. So these masala bonds will have good future. So HDFC has got RBI's nod for to raise 3,000 crore more in masala bonds. Already HDFC has raised 500 crores in masala bonds. RBI opposite proposal to set up separate payments regulator. Reserve Bank has got a proposal to set up a different payments regulator, but RBI has denied the regulator. So this digital payment, there is a separate committee that is constituted for the digital payments. So it is headed by the Finance Secretary Ratan Watal. It is a 11-member committee. Eliminate digital payment costs to sustain cashless push. TRAI chief. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Chairman Mr. Sewak Sharma said that people will go back to cash payments unless costs associated with the digital payments are eliminated. Means the service charge which is going to be levied for the cash payments which are levied on the debit card payment. So if the government is going to continue this, then the people will go again to cash payment system because of this excess charges. So TRAI Chairman Sewak Sharma said that people will go back to cash payments if the costs are not eliminated from the digital payment system. Extra cost. EPF, Employee Provident Fund, rates slashed to 8.65%. Previously it was increased to 8.8% this year, and it has seen a drastic downfall of 8.65%. So Bandaru Dattatreya is the minister. He is the Minister for State of Labour who chairs the EPF board. So he said that it will affect 17 crores of workers all over the India. Tata Sons plans to sell 3% stake in TCS. Tata Sons are the sole owners of the TCS. So they have sold 3% of stake in TCS. That is nearly worth of 14,700 crore rupees. This is the plan to acquire a 70% stake in Punjab National Bank MetLife Insurance. So they are going to sell 3% stake in TCS to acquire a 70% stake in PNB MetLife Insurance. Russia offers technology to keep hackers at bay. Russia Quantum Center is ready to collaborate. Russia Quantum Center is the technology partner where the quantum technology will be offered to India to prevent hackers from breaking into bank accounts. So recently we have seen that 6 lakhs debit cards of SBI has been blocked, and nearly 3.2 million bank cards have been compromised. So to overcome this, India has adopted some technologies. So this is the quantum technology from Russia government. This offers technology to prevent hackers to breaking into bank accounts. Center to invest 5 lakh crores under Sagarmala development project. It is the government's ambitious project. This is a 5 lakh crore rupees project. So Nitin Gadkari said that so this is a promoting port led economic development project which has got government support. Provide equity support to the governments, which has got the government support. So the Sagarmala development project will be started in New Delhi. ICICI Bank launches mobile app. EasyPay. EasyPay is a mobile app which has been launched by ICICI Bank for cashless payments. No tax imposed on farm produce till BJP government in power. Our Union Agriculture Minister is Radha Mohan Singh. He said that no tax will be imposed for the farm producers. I mean the BJP government till BJP government is in power. But the people who save tax under the name of agriculture earning will not be spared. So which means the agriculture, so the agriculture produce, which whatever might be the agriculture produce, so the no tax will be then levied on the farmers till the BJP government is under rule. So anyone who try to break this, any people who try to save the tax under this name of agricultural allowance will not be entertained by the government of India. Hindustan Unilever Limited pads up to take on Ramdev's Patanjali. Until now, Ramdev's Patanjali has it has their own stores across the India and all over the world. So the people started believing in Patanjali products as they are very good to health. So in the international market also, Ramdev Baba's Patanjali products are getting very good response. So Hindustan Unilever Limited, so it has taken initiative and it pads up to take Ramdev's Patanjali products into their markets. So HUL will be HUL now pairs up to take on Ramdev's Patanjali. Airtel Payments Bank, it has started in Rajasthan, so it has to charge 0.65 cash withdrawal fee. So Airtel Payment Bank will charge 0.65% of cash free and withdrawal, cash fee and withdrawals. So but it will not levy any charges, but it will not levy any processing charges on digital payments. So you can do unlimited number of transactions by using Airtel Payments Bank and online. But if you want to withdraw cash from any Airtel retail outlet, so they will charge 0.65% of the money, of the cash withdrawal. So this will be effective from January 2017, and 7.25% interest will be given on savings account. RBI extends periods for enhanced prepaid payments instruments limit. So RBI has extended period of enhanced prepaid payment instruments. What are prepaid payment instruments? PPIs. PPIs are something which accept the money from the people, use it to do payment transactions like Paytm, Freecharge, MobiKwik, etc. and such digital. So this Paytm has this got a RBI's approval. Before to this, it is 10,000 is the wallet limit. So now RBI has extended its wallet limit to 20,000 for individuals and 50,000 for merchant. And if you have done your KYC registration at any of the place, any of the outlet, so then 1 lakh will be your limit. So Freecharge, MobiKwik, Paytm are some of the examples of the prepaid payment instruments. So this is all. So government. So December month is something.
Before starting the video, I want to greet everyone a very happy New Year 2017. May you get the success what you deserve and it will bring smile on your faces. Okay, let's start the video without any further delay. Thank you for watching the video till the end. This is Team Banking Q. I wish you a very happy New Year. And this is the month of, and these are the questions from the month of December 2016 where you can expect in various examinations, upcoming examinations. So please do subscribe us and get regular updates. Thank you. Please do subscribe.